Are you happy? Are you content? How should we define it? Are we currently living in happiness? The World Happiness Report, jointly published by several universities and research institutions, ranks the happiness index of people worldwide. The report ranks countries based on 5 key variables of happiness, including income, freedom, trust, health, and life expectancy. Today, let's take a look at the countries where their citizens are fortunate enough to be among the happiest. If you're also interested in lesser-known fun facts, welcome to subscribe. Let's get started. Who says money can't buy happiness? Norway is the 5th richest country in the world, primarily due to its high GDP per capita and oil revenues. To ensure the well-being of its citizens, the Norwegian government has established a sovereign wealth fund and invested heavily in national welfare. The country has a highly developed education system, with free university education available to every citizen, and the government provides excellent healthcare coverage. Norwegians only have to pay a maximum of $300 per year for medication expenses, and once they reach that amount, they receive a free card that covers all additional costs for the rest of the year. All children's medical expenses and childbirth are subsidized by the government, and even stay-at-home parents receive retirement pensions. There are 5 weeks of paid vacation each year, as well as welfare measures such as healthcare coverage and free education. According to local Norwegians, besides the good welfare system, the main reasons that make them feel happy are equality and freedom. Experts point out that when people have a foundation of equality, they trust each other more, and trust is an important factor that brings happiness and satisfaction in life. According to research around the world, interpersonal relationships appear to be the most significant factor in happiness. In small countries like Iceland, it is relatively easy to maintain good contact with family and friends. The majority of the population resides within an hour's drive from the capital city of Reykjavik. Another important factor related to happiness is health, and Iceland has excellent health conditions compared to other countries. It is one of the countries with the lowest infant mortality rates and the highest life expectancy. This is because most citizens have access to high-quality healthcare. Iceland is also a very peaceful country. Children can play freely outdoors without supervision, and Icelanders have a considerable amount of autonomy over their own lives. Iceland is the country with the smallest gender gap in the world, and it is illegal for women to earn less than men for the same job. Therefore, people in Iceland are more inclined to try and accept new things. When you think of Switzerland, you think of chocolate. Eating chocolate triggers the release of endorphins in the brain, which can bring a feeling of happiness. Despite being famous for cheese and chocolate, Switzerland is one of the countries with the lowest obesity rates in Europe. The median wage in Switzerland is higher than in the UK and the US. While Swiss residents have high incomes, there is a low income gap, and the disparity between the rich and the poor is not significant. Even waiters working in small restaurants earn a monthly salary of at least 3,000 to 4,000 Swiss francs. Swiss people have a passion for sports, as physical activity can bring about a sense of happiness. Even during hot summers, people enjoy spending time by lakes and beaches or engaging in hiking and cycling in the mountains. And when winter comes, it's time for skiing. According to data from the World Health Organization, Swiss people have a long life expectancy, averaging over 82 years. Apart from their healthcare system, the Swiss population generally enjoys a comfortable and peaceful life, which is another major contributing factor. Denmark is widely regarded as a semi-socialist paradise. Healthcare is provided for free, and students receive free education at universities. Despite having a population of less than 6 million, there is a high level of trust among the Danish people. Most Danes do not lock their cars or front doors, and it is even common for delivery personnel to walk into their living rooms while carrying goods. Additionally, Denmark has some of the most generous policies when it comes to childcare. The government mandates that all household heads provide up to 52 weeks of leave for mothers or fathers, and the state government offers financial support for up to 32 weeks. In Denmark, work-life balance has become a way of life. The average weekly working hours for Danish workers are only 27, and most Danish employers provide at least 5 weeks of paid vacation. What happens if you become unemployed in Denmark? Denmark has a strong union organization that provides a secure safety net for employees, including up to 2 years of unemployment benefits. If an employee is laid off due to lack of skills, the government offers retraining and provides better employment opportunities for them. With 200 cold winters in a year and 2 whole months without the sun rising above the horizon, where temperatures can drop to -20 degrees, welcome to the happiest country in the world. Forests cover 75% of the country's land area. In Finland, known as every man's right, people can freely roam, camp, have picnics, pick wild berries, fish, and row boats in the natural environment. Even on private land, permission from the landowner is not required. Sauna is a national pastime in Finland, with an estimated 2 million saunas for a population of 5.4 million. They believe that the culture of naked unity not only relaxes the body and mind but also has a long-term impact on happiness. Finns embrace Nordic minimalism and appreciate high-quality and functional items that stand the test of time. They believe that eliminating unnecessary consumption is beneficial for the world. Finns are generally not so eager to expose their lives on social media or boast about their success and wealth. Perhaps it is the modesty and contentment of the Finnish people that make them the happiest. I notice that these happy countries almost all have a common point, which is that the government pays great attention to the welfare of the people and local security is also excellent. Finally, if you liked it, remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.